Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Chrome crashing on Windows 11. There could be something wrong with your Chrome profile that's causing problems. Uninstall and reinstall Chrome is the solution. So let's get started. Now, to uninstall it, go to search and type in run. Now in here, type in appwiz.cpl and then click OK. Once you're inside, you're gonna see this interface and go find the Google Chrome here. And after you find it, right click and then click uninstall. And wait for a few seconds and your Chrome will be gone. Now to download it, go to your browser and type in Google Chrome download. Your files in your Chrome will not disappear. It's like you refresh your Google Chrome. Just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.